Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time to subscribe my channel, I'm Bale Geoffrey. So today we're going to revise Maths 2023 paper 1 internal under speed time graph. So we're going to solve question number 23. Read the diagram showed the speed time graph of a car during a period of t seconds. So this is a t seconds. So this is a resemble diagram which comes in 2023. So this is a simple diagram I've drawn here. So we have 97 here, which is meter per second. Then we have time here in seconds. We have 8, 14, and t seconds. So question number A, find the acceleration of the car during the first 8 seconds, which is 1 mark. B, distance covered in the first 14 seconds, which is 2 marks. C, find the value of t if the average speed of the car is 7 meters per second, which is 3 marks. So solution. So this is solution. So I'm going to start answering question 23A. So 23A, read, define the acceleration of the car during the first 8 seconds. So 8 seconds. So I'm going to write the formula for acceleration. So acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial divided by time taken. So acceleration is equal to final velocity where it reached. So it reached at 9 meters per second. So 9 subtract by where it started, which is 0, which is initial, divided by time taken, which is 8. So acceleration is equal to 9 divided by 8. So acceleration is equal to 9 divided by 8, which is 8 into 9. It goes 1 number remainder 1 over 8. So the SI unit for acceleration, which is meter per second squared. So this is the first answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment section. So let's proceed question number B. Find the distance covered in the first 14 seconds. So we're going to write the formula for trapezium. So since this is the trapezium shape, so trapezium, we're going to use this formula: A plus B close bracket height. So distance is equal to half open bracket A. We're going to pick a distance from H to 14. So 14 minus H, which is 6, plus B where it reached. So it reached at 14 seconds, which is the time we have been given, which is 14, plus 14 close bracket. So height, which is 9 meters per second. So distance is equal to half. So 14 plus 6, which is 20. So distance is equal to half. So 9 multiplied by 0, which is 0. 9 multiplied by 2, which is 18. So 180 divided by 2, which is 90 meters. So this is the second answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment section. So let's proceed to question number C. Find the value of t if the average speed of the car is 7 meters per second, which is 3 marks. So we're going to follow step by step. So since we have been given this diagram, so we need first to find the distance. So distance is equal to, since we have been known this distance between 0 to 14 seconds, which is 90. So 90 plus c. So and then the distance, we need to calculate the distance of this trapezium. This trapezium, which is it looks like this. So this is a simple drawing, which is so here it is 9, then here it is 7, and then here it is 14, then here it is. So this is a simple diagram of the trapezium. So the formula for trapezium, which is half A plus B height. So distance is equal to 90 plus half. So A, which is 7, so A it is 7, plus B, which is 9, where it reads, so it is 9. Height, we're going to subtract T minus 14. So T minus 14. So since these are unlike them, we cannot subtract. So we're going to write it like that. We're going to leave it like that. So T subtract by 14. So distance is equal to 90 plus half open bracket. So 9 plus 7, which is 16. T minus 14. So distance is equal to 90 plus half. So yes, so we're going to cancel here. We're going to divide 2 into 16, which is 8. T minus 14. So distance is equal to 90 plus, so 8 multiplied by T, which is 80 T, then 8 multiplied by 14, which is, so remember this paper 1, I calculate and not allow. So I'm going to calculate without using a calculator, which is 14 multiplied by 8. So 8 multiplied by, which is 32, and the 3, which is multiplied here, we are going to have 8, which plus 11. So it is so negative 14 multiplied by 8, which is negative 112. So distance is equal to 90. So I'm going to call the item together. So subtract by 112 plus 80 T. So distance is equal to 90 subtract by 112. So subtract by 112, which is 2. 11, which is 19, 11, which is 2, which is negative 22 plus 8 T. So this is the total distance. So since we have been given the average speed, so we have calculated the total distance. So this is a simple equation. So average speed is equal to distance covered divided by time. So this is the formula for average speed. So average speed we have been given, which is 7, is equal to distance, which is this. We are going to pick this equation, negative 22 plus 8 T divided by time where it reached, which is T. So this is the total time taken, so which is t. We don't know the time, so we're going to cross multiplication. So 7 multiplied by t, which is 70, is equal to negative 22. Negative 22 plus 8t. So we're going to cross the right term together. So 8 will cross the equal sign. So 7t. So when 8 just cross the equal sign, they have a negative sign, which is negative 8t is equal to negative 22. So 7 subtracted by 8, which is negative t, is equal to negative 22. So we're going to divide the negative to remain only with t, positive t. So t is equal to, going to divide the negative, so which is 22 seconds. So this is the final answer. If you haven't understood, please click on the comment section. Remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Bye. May God bless you all for listening.